Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. It's Miss E here. I'm going to show you how to do the pre-cut lace method. You're going to gather your supplies. You're going to use your spandex cap or your ventilated cap, of course your measuring tape, and the hair that we're going to use on a later video. We're going to focus right now on our 13 by 6 inch lace frontal. You can use 13 by 4, whatever your preference is. I'm just going ahead and just measuring this out, and it does indicate that this is 13 inches long. My measurements from ear to ear are 12 inches, and I'm going to take a ½ inch off of each side in order to make this custom to fit my head. And there you see the markings that I've made to take the ½ inch off of each side. Now, whether this is for yourself or for your client, you want to make sure that you have head measurements before you cut your lace. Please watch my video if you have not already to show you how to make head measurements and measure from ear to ear to determine how to pre-cut your lace. So right here, I am just making a parting to see where I have made that line. That's going to show me how much I need to cut off of each side. Well, it's going to be a ½ inch, but it's just going to help me cut a straight line when you make your markings. And there you see the triangular type piece that is going to come off of each side, and we're going to move to the other side. If you need to spritz it down with water a little bit just so that it makes it easier for parting, then go ahead and do so. But I will leave the links below, because in order for you to have the proper measurements to know how much to cut off of each side, it may be for yourself or someone else or for your client, you have to know what their measurements are from ear to ear in order to know how much to cut off of each side. My measurements just happen to be a 12, so we are taking a ½ inch off of each side, and we're going to just go ahead and discard those pieces right there. And this is the end result. Go ahead and check out that natural looking hairline. Now, I do not like baby hairs, but I do like a natural looking hairline, which you see right here. Make sure you stay tuned for part 2, where I show you the complete construction of this wig, how to sew on your lace frontal onto the wig cap, and to construct the entire wig. And I hope to see you in the next video.